Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you why your Hisense portable air conditioner isn't cooling and the most effective ways with the help of which you can easily fix it. So first of all, you need to check that the unit is running on the cool mode. So here you can find the information about it on this display. So if it is running on the fan or the dry mode, the cooling performance will be different. So you need to make sure that you press this mode button on top of your AC remote, and then you need to switch to the cool mode only. So make sure that the temperature is also set several degrees below the current room temperature. So I recommend you to basically reduce it at least 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. After doing so, you need to simply inspect the exhaust hose. It should be securely connected to both the air conditioner and the window kit with as few bends as possible. A loose or kinked exhaust hose traps the hot air inside the room. That makes it seem like the AC isn't cooling. Now you need to also simply look for the air filters. If it is covered with dust, the airflow across the evaporator coil is going to reduce, which lowers the cooling performance and can even cause the coil to freeze. Now on the display of your Hisense portable AC, you need to also take a look at the P1 error. It is basically indication of the water full error. So if you are seeing this error, you need to empty the internal water tank and connect a continuous drain hose. Many of the Hisense portable ACs temporarily stop the compressor operation when the condensate tank is full in order to prevent the overflow. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.